Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Vegetable chopper. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 1515-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Scimitar breaking knife. Premium performance. Perfectly engineered carving butcher knife tapered to a razor-sharp edge for effortless breaking down, trimming, cutting, and skinning of meat. Razor-sharp Granton blade edge. Hand-sharpened edge at 14 to 16 degrees per side for maximum sharpness edge retention, ensuring precision slicing every time. Full tang ergonomic design. Luxury packawood handle that is triple riveted for sure grip and absolute stability that ensures comfort and maneuverability. Laminated and polished for a sanitary build, perfect for busy kitchens. Premium German steel. Precisely forged of high-carbon German steel engineered to perfection at 56 plus Rockwell hardness for long-lasting performance, rust and stain resistant. Lifetime warranty. We're proud to say we believe in our blades. Your Cutlux slicing knife comes with lifetime warranty against material or workmanship defects. Purchase without risk. Lunch container set. Meal prep, food storage portion control. Revolutionize your meal prep routine with these versatile meal prep containers, glass with lids. Ideal for crafting meals, portioning food, and maintaining structured nourishment throughout your bustling week. Designed to fit lunch bags, these adult lunch containers are suitable for picnics, office meals, or lunches on the go. Cook and bake in conventional ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, lid off, for delicious homemade creations that go from oven to table effortless. Your all-in-one glass food container set. Embrace meal preparation organization with this 4-pack variety set. It includes 2 of our 2-compartment and 2 of our 3-compartment food container style glass bento boxes for adults with airtight lids. Portion management has never been this convenient. Each of the glass meal prep containers with lids holds up to 32 ounces, offering managed servings for your nutritional planning needs. Vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions: approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches, LXWXH. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid-add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Kitchen dishcloths. Ultra absorbent. With a plush microfiber design, these kitchen washcloths are super absorbent for quick cleanup of spills, wiping oil stains, and very durable for use over and over without losing effectiveness. Ideal for drying dishes and kitchen cleaning. Square root super soft material. Hamaxi dish rags are made of soft and thick coral velvet microfiber. They are ultra soft, fluffy, with no odor, no lint, and easy to wash. So it won't scratch the paint on your delicate tabletop, glass, and delicate materials, nor will it leave tiny scratches on the surface. Easy care, easy to wash and clean. Machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not bleach and low iron if needed. We suggest washing them in cold water before using for the first time, as this will make them fluffy and more absorbent. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning.